doon sa sinasabi ng mga abogado ni VP Sara na ang proseso kasi evidence muna bago ang hearing. No, so lumalabas daw po na sa ngayon ang Justice Committee ay naghahanap pa lang ng ebidensya sa particular na grounds na ito na unexplained wealth at yung SALN violation. O bakit daw po kumbaga hindi man lang nagpakita ng katibayan tungkol dito at ito na agad dinesisyonan na may grounds dito po sa particular na allegation na ito. Again, ma'am, please.
Let us remember, Manong Ted, no? There are 5 steps. 5 steps before the Justice Committee to complete the impeachment proceeding, no? Yung evidence na may required dito is just reasonable amount of evidence. It is not substantial evidence. It is not probable cause. Lalo namang hinding proof beyond reasonable doubt. No? As a matter of fact, to be specific, nowhere in the rules will you see the amount of evidence required. The only parameter is, according to the Supreme Court, it depends on the exclusive judgment of the justice members whether the complaint on its face and on its attachment can be declared as sufficient in form and in substance. No? Wala pa po tayo sa trial, wala pa po tayo sa determination of probable cause. Kaya ang sabi ko po kahapon sa ating opening statement, hindi po ito paglilitis. We are just trying to find reasons which will justify the continuation of our impeachment proceeding. No? So granting na wala pang bank record, granting that the SALN available to the committee is the 2 SALN which were manifested, shared by Congressman Ridon, we took note of the fact that this bank records cannot be availed of yet by the complainant. As a matter of fact, they need to make use or explore the compulsory power of the Justice Committee to be able to avail themselves of these bank records and present them before us in support of the allegations of unexplained wealth. Now, with regards to SALN and even ITR, ito naman ay public records which are easy to actually inquire into and to present, no? And to complete the explanation, Manong Ted, no? Ang hinahanap pa lang ho natin dito, tapat na dahilan to move forward.
Okay.
And under the rules, nowhere will you see. Wala naman nung sinabi ang rules na ang kailangan ay substantial evidence. Wala naman nung sinabi ang rules na kailangan na ng probable cause. The probable cause will be determined pa pag natapos ang ating hearing proper. In other words, Manong Ted, the reason kung bakit bagaman sa kakulangan ng ebidensya at this point in time, dun sa unexplained wealth, bakit na-consider siya na sufficient in substance? It is because that is the judgment of the individual members of the Justice Committee. According to them, may sapat ng dahilan para mag-proceed to the next step of the impeachment proceeding. Again, yun pong determination of form and substance, hindi po yan paglilitis. We're not trying to establish the guilt or innocence of the respondent. We're trying to find reasonable justification kung bakit magtutuloy-tuloy ang impeachment proceeding. The same is true dun sa nangyari kahapon, Manong Ted, which is determination naman of sufficiency in ground. Hindi rin yun paglilitis. Ang hinahanap natin, reasonable justification why we should proceed to hearing proper.
Mga kapatid, para sa iba pang mga balita at impormasyon, sundan niyo po kami sa X, Instagram, Facebook at syempre sa TikTok, True Network PH. Mag-subscribe din po kayo sa aming YouTube channel, True Network. May website din po tayo, truenetwork.ph, at pwede niyo rin po kaming mapanood sa Channel 19 ng aming True FM TV. Lagi pa rin makinig sa radyo dito po sa 105.9 True FM dahil dito, lagi po sa'yo, kapatid.
Ito tayo sa totoo, tunay at tapat.